Hello, my name is April Krackemeyer,
And I'm Avidia De Leon.
and we're here to teach you how to make charms for your phones at our Culinary Arts event at Blair-Shannon September 20th during dinner time.
Yep, that's right. So let's just get it started. Here's all you're gonna need. First thing, beads. We'll have these all out throughout the tables on Blair-Shannon. Next, you'll need some string. We have a variety of colors that will be out there during our event. And finally, some scissors. And that's it.
Step 1, after you pick out the colored string you would like to use, cut it about an arm's length. And then at the bottom of the string, tie a knot for the beads to stay on, with a little room at the end. Step 2, pick up the beads you would like to use and start placing them on the string. Quick tip, if the end of it is fraying as you're putting on the beads, you can go ahead and just cut off a little bit so it has a sharper end. When you've gotten to a point where the charm is long enough for your hand to fit through, you can go ahead and stop putting beads on. Alright, we're to the point of tying the bracelet together. You'll first make a knot with the two strings together towards the top. Make sure there's a lot of room between the knot and the beads. You can go ahead and cut off that excess string towards the top. Alright, I've slowed this part down a little bit. It's a little tricky. So you're going to go ahead and make a loop around your fingers, and you're going to put the knot through it, but you're going to hold on to the knot, making a loop. You want that knot to stay underneath the other knot. Alright, now that your charm is done, it's time to put it on your case. You'll just take your case off your phone and put the loop through that little part next to your volume, and then put the beads through that loop. And there you go, now you have your own homemade phone charm bracelet.